Hello students, today we will discuss about the terpenoids extractions method. So introduction part of this, basically terpenoids are the natural occurring hydrocarbons having the isoprene unit. That is, the formula of isoprene unit is C5H8. Okay, terpenoids are the natural occurring hydrocarbons which contain the general formula, that is C5H8 ka whole n. So we can say that it is the formula for the isoprene unit. So C5H8 is the isoprene unit and chemically it is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. And based on the number of isoprene unit, these terpenoids may be hemiterpenoids, in which one isoprene unit is present, monoterpenoids, in which two terpenoids unit, and if the three number of isoprene units are present, then it is known as the sesquiterpenoids, whereas if the number of isoprene units are 4, then it is known as the diterpenoids. Similarly, triterpenoids, when the number of isoprene units are 6. Similarly, tetraterpenoids, when the number of isoprene units are 8, and if there are so many number of isoprene units are present, in that case it is known as the polyterpenoids. So it is the definitions of the terpenoids. So terpenoids are the natural occurring hydrocarbons of plant origins having the isoprene unit, and on the basis of the number of isoprene unit, they may be hemiterpenoid, monoterpenoid, sesquiterpenoid, diterpenoid, triterpenoid, tetraterpenoids, and polyterpenoids. And these terpenoids may be of two types. First one is the simple and second one is the complex. So simple terpenoids occur in steam volatile essential oil and obtained from the sap and tissues of the certain plant and trees, okay, which occurs in the steam volatile essential oils, and basically they obtained from the tissues and sap of the certain plants and the trees. Whereas in case of complex terpenoids, they are not steam volatile and obtained from the gums and resins of the plant. So it is the difference between the simple and complex terpenoids. And if you see the properties of these terpenoids, basically these are the colorless liquid. They are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents like benzene, alcohol, chloroform, acetone, etc. And they are optically active, and because of the olefinic bands are present in the terpenoids, so they easily oxidized and they are volatile in nature. It means at the room temperature they easily evaporate, and they also known as the essential oil because they consist of some aroma and essence inside the drug, or we can say or in the oil. So they also known as the essential oil or aromatic oil. Now if you see the extractions and isolations method of the terpenoid, so basically for the isolation, following methods can be used. First one is the expressions method, second one is steam distillations method, after that solvent extractions method is there, and last one is the enfleurage method. Okay, these are the four methods which are commonly used for the isolations of the essential oil from the plant drugs: expressions method, steam distillation, solvent extractions, and enfleurage methods. Now terpenoids can be separated from the essential oil by the following method. First one is the fractional distillations method, fractional crystallizations method, and chromatographic techniques. For example, thin layer chromatography, gas liquid chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography, and column chromatography. So we can say that with the help of chromatography we can separate terpenoids from the essential oil, or with the help of fractional distillations and with the help of the fractional crystallization. So if we talk here about the extractions and isolations, there are two terms. First one is extraction, second one is the isolations. Extractions mean when the mixtures of component is present in the extract, it is known as the extraction process. Whereas when the individual phytoconstituent is separated out, at that case it is known as the isolate product. Okay, so expressions method, steam distillations method, solvent extractions method, and enfleurage methods are commonly used for the isolations of essential oil, and they can be separated from the terpenoids with the help of fractional distillations, fractional crystallizations, chromatographic techniques like TLC, GLC, HPLC, and column chromatography. Now, what is the expressions method? So in this method, we will take the plant material and we will crush with the help of some instruments. So, and we will apply some pressure to that plant drugs on the crushed plant material, due to which there will be the secretions of the juice. This juice will be filtered off, and after that the filtrate we obtained, it will be undergo under the process of the centrifugations. So because of this centrifugations, half of the essential oil obtained in the tubes which are loaded in the centrifuge, and the solid residue remaining at the base of the tubes is used for the isolations of inferior oil with the help of the distillation. So this is the expressions method. एक्सप्रेशंस मेथड्स में हो क्या रहा है कि आपका जो प्लांट ड्रग्स है उसको जो है क्रश कर दिया जाता है और उसमें एक प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे जिसकी वजह से उसका जूस निकलता है। जूस को आपने फिल्टर करना है, जो आपको फिल्ट्रेट मिलेगी उसको आपने सेंट्रीफ्यूज किया, सेंट्रीफ्यूज करने पे जो ऊपर की तरफ आपको जो मिलेगा दैट इज द इसेंशियल ऑयल, और जो नीचे जो सॉलिड रेसिड्यू होती है उसमें जो है इंफीरियर क्वालिटी का ऑयल हो सकता है। तो दैट सॉलिड रेसिड्यू दैट विल बी यूज फॉर द distillation process to obtain the inferior quality of the oil. And the next method is the steam distillations method. So it is the very common method to extract the essential oil from the plant, and in this method we will pass the some steam through the plant material. Because of steam there will be the extractions of the essential oil, and because of the combinations of the heated steam and gentle pressure, they will cause the essential oil to be released from the protective sac. So whatever the drug oil is present in the sac, it can be secrete out, or it can be released from the sac because of the steam and because of the gentle pressure. ठीक है। स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन मेथड्स में क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे आपका स्टीम पास की जाती है प्लांट मटेरियल से, तो जब आपकी गरम स्टीम जो है वो जाएगी और इसमें हल्का प्रेशर होगा, उसकी वजह से आपका इसेंशियल ऑयल जो है वो सैक से रिलीज हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट मेथड इज द सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शंस मेथड, एंड दिस मेथड इज यूजफुल for the plant drugs where the very less amount of essential oil are present, and hexane, alcohol are commonly used for the isolations of the essential oil. So first of all we will treat the plant drug with these solvent, either it may be hexane or ethanol, and due to which it will produce the waxy aromatic compound which is known as the concrete. Then this concrete is mixed with the alcohol, due to which oil particles are released. Then it is passed through a condenser, then it is separated out. So after mixing with the alcohol, so oil particles will release, then it will be passed through the condenser, due to which oil will be separated out, and this oil is used in the perfume industry or for aromatherapy purpose. ओके, सो क्या हो रहा है सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शंस मेथड्स में कि हेक्सेन और अल्कोहल, इथेनॉल की मदद से हम इसेंशियल ऑयल का एक्सट्रैक्शंस कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली ये मेथड उन प्लांट ड्रग्स के केस में यूज होता है जहां पे आपका इसेंशियल ऑयल की क्वांटिटी बहुत कम होती है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप इसको हेक्सेन और इथेनॉल के साथ ड्रग को ट्रीट करेंगे, जिसकी वजह से आपको एक वैक्सी कंपाउंड मिलता है जिसको कि कंक्रीट कहते हैं। और उसके बाद आप इस कंक्रीट को अल्कोहल के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे। अल्कोहल के साथ ट्रीट करने पे जितना भी आपका ऑयल होगा, इसेंशियल ऑयल होगा, दैट विल बी कम इन द इन द अल्कोहल, एंड देन इट इज पास थ्रू द कंडेंसर, due to which it can be separated out, and this oil can be used in the perfume industry or for the aromatherapy purpose. Next one is the enfleurage method. So in this method the fat is heated up to 50 degrees Celsius on a glass plate. So then this fat is covered with the flower petals and kept for several days until it is saturated with the essential oil. Then old petals are replaced by the fresh petals and process is repeated. After removing the petal, the fat is treated with the alcohol. When all the oils present in the fat are dissolved in the ethanol, then alcoholic distill is then fractionally distilled under reduced pressure to remove the solvent. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है एनफ्लोरेज मेथड में कि आपने फैट लेना है और उसको 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक हम उसको हीट करते हैं। हीट करने के बाद आप क्या करेंगे कि उसको आप कवर्ड कर देंगे फ्लावर पेटल्स के साथ। जो भी आपके ड्रग्स का आप फ्लावर्स ले रहे हैं तो उनके पेटल्स आप लेंगे और उनको जो है आप कवर कर देंगे। कवर करने के बाद आप उसको तब तक वेट करेंगे जब तक कि एसेंशियल ऑयल पूरा फैट पे आने ना लगे। तो ये प्रोसेस आपका रिपीट होता जाएगा कि आप पुराने पेटल्स को हटा देंगे और नए पेटल्स को आप उसकी जगह रिप्लेस कर देंगे, पुराने पेटल्स की जगह रिप्लेस कर देंगे, जिसकी वजह से ये प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूस चलता जाएगा। तो आफ्टर व्हेन द ऑल द ऑयल्स सैचुरेटेड देन इट इज ट्रीटेड विद द अल्कोहल। उसके बाद आपने इसको इथेनॉल के साथ ट्रीट करना है एंड वट एवर द ऑयल प्रेजेंट इन द फैट इट विल बी डिजॉल्व इन द इथेनॉल। जो आपका ऑयल फैट में प्रेजेंट होगा वो आपका इथेनॉल में डिजॉल्व हो जाएगा। देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन अंडर रिड्यूस्ड प्रेशर to remove the solvent, and oil can be obtained by fractional distillations under reduced pressure to remove the solvent. So first drug of this terpenoid category, that extractions method. So first is the menthol, which is obtained from the peppermint oil, and this peppermint oil consists 50 to 60% of the menthol. And menthol, a botanical name of the plant from which this peppermint oil is obtained, is known as Mentha piperata, which belong to family Lamiaceae. And if you see the molecular formula of menthol, it is C10H18O, and chemically it is the monoterpene alcohol. Menthol is chemically monoterpene alcohol, and it is universally applied in the food, pharmaceutical industries, beauty products, and scent and fragrance industries in all over the world. And hydro distillations, steam distillation, solvent free microwave extractions methods are commonly used method for the extractions of menthol from Mentha piperata, or we can say from the other species of Mentha. So in the steam distillation, so this distillations method is used to perform at low temperature, which makes the feasible separations of non-volatile substances and substances that are not mixable in water underneath the boiling points of every discrete component. So this method is useful for the separate out the non-volatile substances and the substances which are not mixable with the water. So this method is used for the extractions of essential oil in that case, and it will separate out the water soluble component and water insoluble component. And we are saying that these are essential oil are insoluble in water, so it can easily separate out. And in case of hydro distillations method, we will take the plant material in still, and steam is used directly for heating. So we will take the plant material in a still, and with the help of heating, steams will go, and then with the help of this steams the essential oils come out, and it is the very useful and important method for the restorations of the essential oil. And this one is the microwave extractions method. Basically this method is used for the research purpose. So in this method, dipole rotations and ionic conductions are two major objectives for the heat generations on which this technique is based, while its output or its efficiency is dependent of the dielectric properties of the herb materials. Okay, so efficiency of this method is depend on the dielectric properties of the plant material. This extractions came into process when the water present internally in the plants absorb energy produced by the microwave. Okay, these extractions came into process when water present internally. Whatever the water is present in the drugs, it's absorb the energy which is produced by the microwave, and this absorbance become cause for the enhancement in the pressure inside the plant material, due to which there will be creations of the pressure inside the plant material, which becomes the region all cell structure to break, due to which all the cellular structure present inside the plant, it will be breakdown, and the solvent is then allowed to penetrate into the cell matrix, and then the solvent will penetrate into the cell matrix, due to which we can obtain the essential oil. And whatever the essential oil we are getting with the help of fractional distillations or chromatographic absorptions, we can isolate from the extracted essential oil of the mint. So it's all about the extractions method of general method of terpenoids, and first drug was menthol, which we covered today class in the extraction procedure. In next class we will cover the remaining phytoconstituents of this category for the extraction purpose. So thank you very much for watching the video.